How to make money on YouTube without making videos? Super crazy niche. Hey, are you about to start your YouTube channel? Are you thinking of making money on YouTube without making videos? Or bored of making YouTube videos that get fewer hits, views, likes, and ultimately it demotivates you? Wait, no. Are you about to quit? No. Well, if that's so, then before giving up, just give this video a watch, because in this video, I'll be sharing a super crazy niche with you that will surely upgrade your channel as well as make it earn millions of dollars. Literally. Not even the niche only, plus I will be telling you about a game-changing strategy at the end that will keep you motivated to run your YouTube channel and rank it up without waiting years to pass. So stay tuned, because this super crazy niche will let you earn around $10,000 per month or even more. Do you have some other concerns related to this niche or starting up your own channel? Do let us know through your comments in the comment section below, and we'll surely be answering your queries in the upcoming videos. Now, without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So what is this super crazy niche that I'm about to share with you guys in this video? It's everyone's favorite, really super easy, enjoyable, and for the audience of all ages. What's it about? Well, it's the DIY style life hacks. Majority of you will be familiar with previously existing such top niche channels that I will be highlighting later as well in this video, along with their monthly earnings and numbers of subscribers. They don't really struggle that hard. You can also earn up to $10,000 easily by just adopting the quick strategies. Wait, have you ever seen a YouTube video in which the focal person didn't even show his face? If yes, then you might not be knowing that these types of videos can actually make a ton of money. That's quite easy though. So what has made this niche so popular? Well, as we all know, life hacks have always remained the most interesting topic and are a matter of concern for everyone because they are so eye-catching. DIYs are so simple to perform. If you ask me, I often, after watching them, try to copy them because everything is easily available and also it'll ease my daily tasks. So basically, DIY style life hacks are the basic needed tricks or solutions to daily routine problems. Wouldn't it be a moment of relief and satisfaction for a person when he himself gets a solution to his problems? Before moving on, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting every update. Now, we're gonna reveal the foremost strategy of life hack channels, that is maximum watch time. Did you know? While uploading your videos, watch time matters a lot, and this super niche is gonna be amazing in this regard. How? People love to watch life hack tutorials and give them maximum view time, unintentionally, because it's super interesting to watch out if edited very well. Another most fascinating thing about this niche is that as it's the most loved one, so you keep on getting likes and views on your previously added old videos. In this way, you'll be earning money without being uploading the new videos or new content. We have a lot of many top channels that are using this strategy for earning a lot. Like a lot. If you're concerned about how to get new ideas for your videos or channel, then rest assured, this niche is super fast growing and is even loved by every generation. So without any doubt, your videos will start getting hundreds of thousands of views in no time. If you take a look on the most famous YouTube channel 5 Minute Crafts, then you will observe one thing. That this single channel is now running bundles of sub-channels like 5 Minute Crafts Decor, 5 Minute Crafts Men, Girly, Tech, etc. And further getting deep into these channels, you will notice that their same videos are repeated in many other videos. Obviously not the whole video is copy-pasted, but just some fragments of their own videos are utilized in the different other videos. Isn't that just so exciting to know? Here's a pro tip. If you copy your own material in a decent way, you won't have to face that copyright issue. Also, you'll be having great watch time with thousands of likes. Now, I would like to break down the strategies of most popular famous YouTube channel 5 Minute Crafts and how they're earning tons of money just by following these strategies. 5 Minute Crafts. All of us know about this most popular life hacks channel. Yes, 5 Minute Crafts, if we check its analytics on the Social Blade, that gives its users access to the global analytical for any brand or content creator. You will witness that this particular YouTube channel has made over 4.5 thousand videos and it has nearly 72 million subscribers. That's the wholesome thing. Their monthly earnings around $74K and $1.2 million. Whoa, that's just awesome. These guys actually don't make new videos and use some tricky strategies. You can also adopt such rules to rank up your channel in no time. So what do they basically do? Nothing, they've just hired 3-4 models who record for videos about their life hacks. This channel has loads of content, regarding each and every single topic. If you guys can see my screen, these videos are produced by 5-Minute Crafts, and can you guys believe their millions of views? All of their videos have over 100 million views, and some have over 200 million views. Now that's really insane, guys. I hope now you got what I was trying to say and believe that your upcoming channel on this niche will set the internet on fire. Now, what they exactly do and from where they started. If you guys go back to the very first video, it was uploaded 4 years back with simple content and not so attractive highlights. But now they're earning like mad. This simple strategy is to make one channel and let it be ranked up, then simply make other channels with simple concepts and content. Like you can see, they have many other channels running under the same name, but hacks for particular categories. You can also do that. Simply rank up your first channel, then make the other sub-channels. It will grow in no time, as 5-Minute Decor has more than 6 million subscribers just in a year. 5-Minute Crafts Men. Let's move on to the other sub-channels of 5-Minute Crafts, that is 5-Minute Crafts Men, made under the same concept, life hacks. This is all about the life hacks for men. They use daily routine gadgets for the tricks and techniques for increasing the efficiency of one's life. This channel has a total of 5.5 million subscribers. And they earn up to $108,000 per month. And for this type of channel, you really don't need to record yourself. You can simply make hands-on your gadgets while recording a video. 5-Minute Crafts Tech. Now another sub-channel of this channel is 5-Minute Crafts Tech. On it, they share all the latest technologies and techniques to handle daily routine tasks. It has the total subscribers of nearly 3.5 million and monthly earning of around $10.3 thousand to $164.8 thousand. It is similar to 5-Minute Crafts Men. 5-Minute Crafts Play. Then comes 5-Minute Crafts Play. This channel is for kids of any age or children who take keen interest in these types of fun videos. Their subscribers are almost 19,000 and their total earning is around $319,000. They just make videos like games, toys for children, or studying hacks related to stationery, etc. That is definitely the center of attention for kids. Hence, kids of all ages love to watch these videos and keep on increasing views on their videos. 5-Minute Crafts Decor. Next, they have a home decor channel, the sub-channel of 5-Minute Crafts channel. They simply use home stuff for decorating the home, and clothes, etc. They have a total of 6.5 million subscribers and their estimated monthly earnings are up to 3.5k. This channel simply shows how you can waste your time on usable products in your homes like packets, worn-out jeans, bottles, etc. for decorating your home. They even show how a wall hanging can be made from totally useless things present in your home. 5-Minute Crafts Girly. Now another channel is 5-Minute Crafts Girly. You will be seeing all the girly stuff here, hence this channel particularly targets the females. This channel has a total subscribers of 20.2 million and earns up to $11.7 to $186.9 thousand. Female hacks are always loved by every age of female. So in this manner, one can be earning money without uploading the videos. Once your channel CPM increases, you keep on getting money for your previously uploaded videos. If your topic will be the most trending and suitable for every generation, then your videos would be loved by everyone in any era of life. That's all for today's video, but if you guys want to learn YouTube in a new way, then do subscribe to our channel and stay connected as we'll break down more niches in the future. And also we'll let you know how you can outsource or do all by yourself and much more. Also, find us on Instagram under the same username and don't forget to follow us there if you want to get some basic and daily YouTube tips. We'll be back with more videos and we'll see you in the next video.